How to archive highlights on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to archive highlights on Instagram. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just make sure that you have logged in into your Instagram account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner and just open your profile. And over here, as you can see, that I have so many highlights on my account. So in order to archive your highlights on Instagram, you don't have to do much, because the fact that you have highlights on your Instagram profile, that means these photos are already archived, so you don't have to do much about it. So as you can see that I have created this particular highlight. I have been able to create this particular highlight out of my Instagram stories, because they have been archived out of my stories already as default. So yeah, this is basically how to archive highlights on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.